Hello friends, welcome to Architecture Broadcast, place where future architects comes to get inspired. If you have not subscribed to our channel, you're missing out. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the list of thesis topics for your master course in architecture, both in India as well as abroad. Please make sure you watch the video till the end, because we have a surprise for you guys. Also, if you're looking for a list of BArch thesis topics, we have already made a video on it and the link is shared in the description box below. Do check that out after watching the video. As we all know, picking a topic for your architecture dissertation or thesis can be a challenge, because whether your final project is successful depends on it. It's essential that you focus on your field of study to assure that your arguments are solid and strong. If you pick a topic that you feel comfortable with, writing your final draft will be easier. Still, if you choose to go for a theme that you are interested in but have little, or I would say rather zero knowledge on it, you should keep in mind that your chances of being outstanding decreases. You also have to select topics that involve innovation and technology, because the century we are in, people care a lot about how these things, especially these two things, affect our everyday lives. If you talk about what interests others, you will literally have them hooked. With this in mind, if you're clueless as to what to talk about, don't worry, we are here to help you out with list of different thesis topics of your masters. Along with this, you can always surf net, refer through other people's work to get farsight on that subject. So without further delay, let's begin with the list. Well, I'll first talk about the thesis topics for masters in India, and the first category is the urban design. The topics are as follows. Number 1. Urban segregation and urban form, from residential segregation to segregation in public space. Number 2. Evolving urban culture in transforming cities, architecture and urban design in a fluid context. Number 3. Lighting design and urban lighting, outdoor urban public places, design and technologies. Number 4. Designing out waste, exploring barriers for material recirculation. Number 5. Urban mobility, transference and public transit. Number 6. Urban design in the wake of deindustrialization. Number 7. Designing density, increasing functionality through flexibility in family neighborhoods. Number 8. Urban aesthetics and new trends in urban design. Number 9. Building multicultural cities. Number 10. Neighborhood regeneration. Number 11. Revitalizing governance and placemaking. Moving further, second category is sustainable architecture, and the topics are as follows. Number 1. Application of HEM in building structure. Number 2. Building in response to climate change. Number 3. Micro construction for the future. Number 4. Creating self-sufficient structures. Number 5. Calculating solar panel output with planning. Number 6. Determining optimal insulation R values. Number 7. Principles of net zero design. Number 8. Reducing a structure's carbon footprint. Number 9. Heating and cooling systems with renewable energy. Number 10. Passive design strategies for housing clusters in the tropics. Number 11. Passive design for high-rise residential buildings in Dubai. The third category is for landscape design, and the topics are as follows. Number 1. Modern and historical landscapes. Number 2. Planning for water scarcity and droughts. Number 3. Maximizing green space in residential designs. Number 4. Managing flood zones with climate change. Number 5. Revitalizing landscape. Number 6. Reducing development risks with wildlife. Number 7. Principles of urban agriculture. Number 8. Optimizing drainage for water conservation. Number 9. Child-friendly landscapes. Number 10. Retaining green cities in periods of growth. Number 11. Efficient public infrastructure. Number 12. Below zero in Kutanad. Number 13. The Black Buck Park. The fourth category is for special buildings. and the topics are as follows. Number 1. Advanced Trauma Center and Hospital. Number 2. Center for Art, Culture and Tourism Promotion. Number 3. Museum of Modern Art. Number 4. Film and Research Institute. Number 5. The Book Mall. Apart from these categories, we do have certain miscellaneous architecture design research topics, which are as follows. Number 1. Artist Retreat at Aloha Hills. Number 2. Mandovi Fisherman Jetty. Number 3. Habitation Beyond Shelter. Number 4. Emergent Design, Vadodara Bus Terminus. Number 5. A Street for Innovation. Number 6. Accessing Value of Heritage. Number 7. A Metro Station that Binds. Number 8. Multicultural Architecture in the Urban Landscape. Number 9. Trends of Environmental Technology in Residential Structures. Number 10. Creative Designs in the Modern Era. Number 11. Maximizing Resources and Space with Accessibility. Number 12. Minimalist Design in Compact Areas. Number 13. Methods of mitigating damage from natural disaster. Number 14. Methods of prefabricated design. Number 15. Features of portable housing units. Number 16. Thought and architecture practices in the tourism sector. Number 17. Structural design approaches within the scope of theory and application. Number 18. The construction of modern architecture in architecture history writing. Number 19. Study on temporary post-disaster housing unit constructed with light gauge steel framing. Number 20. Perception of space through representation media. Number 21. Architecture of societies in multicultural region. Along with it, we do have some interesting doctorate level architecture design research topics, which are as follows. Number 1. Residential satisfaction in high-rise buildings. Number 2. An evaluation of non-classroom spaces of private elementary schools. Number 3. Between deconstructivist architecture and hyper-historicism. Number 4. Retrofitting existing mass housing for energy efficiency. Number 5. An evaluation of junction details with transparent sheets in furniture design. Number 6. Daylighting evaluation in office buildings. Number 7. A study on the interactions between lifestyles. Number 8. Scheduling problems in architecture design process. Number 9. The interaction of reinforced concrete skeleton systems and architecture form subjected to earthquake effects. Number 10. Transformation of meaning of architectural space. Number 11. Installation art, the contemporary house and the critic of subjectivity. Number 12. Method of morphological analysis of urban housing pattern. Number 13. Design and analysis of reconfigurable double curved surfaces. Now, I will talk about architecture thesis topics for masters in abroad. The first category is the landscape design, and the topics are as follows. Number 1. Curating place using interpretive design to metabolize change in rural post-industrial landscape of Woronco, Massachusetts. Number 2. The use of public plazas in the United States, measuring the differences using direct observation in Boston. Number 3. The role of landscape in the socialization of co-housing communities, a study in Western Massachusetts. Number 4. Reconnecting to landscape and evaluation of the post-hurricane communities of Biloxi, Mississippi and Galveston, Texas. The second category is sustainable design, and the topics are as follows. Number 1. Microclimate devices for outdoor spaces in London. Number 2. Redefining residential environments in Buenos Aires. Number 3. From archaic to contemporary, energy efficient adaptive reuse of historic building. Number 4. Photosynthesizing the workplace, a study in healthy and holistic production spaces. The third category is transportation. The topics are as follows. Number 1. Jetty regeneration, community hub along the Thames. Number 2. Multimodal transit and a new civic architecture. Number 3. Adaptive airport architecture. Number 4. Intermodal transit terminal, integrating the future of transit into the urban fabric. The fourth category is urban design, and the topics are as follow. Number 1. The built environment and well-being. Designing for well-being in post-industrial communities during the age of urbanization. Number 2. Urban interspace, convergence of human interaction and form. Number 3. Resilient urbanism, bridging natural elements and sustainable structures in a post-industrial urban environment. Number 4. Rethinking the suburban center. Number 5. The Hues of Hadley, Massachusetts, pioneering places for preservation and growth. Number 5. Exploration of connectivity between urban plaza and mixed-use buildings. Number 6. Redevelopment of urban village in Shenzhen. Apart from these, there are some miscellaneous thesis topics that are as follows. Number 1. Architecture agency through real estate development. Number 2. Rethinking school design to promote safety and positivity. Number 3. Spatial design for behavioral education. Number 4. Therapeutic community for refugees. Number 5. Redeveloping place, the power of narrative. Number 6. Rethinking ambulatory care delivery. Number 7. Museum design as a tool for a city. Number 8. Architecture and wilderness, an exchange of order. Number 9. Cross-species architecture, developing an architecture for rehabilitative learning through the human-canine relationship. Number 10. Learning spaces, discovering the spaces for future of learning. Number 11. Resilient architecture, adaptive community living in coastal region. Number 12. Designing waste, creating space, a critical examination into waste reduction through building techniques, architecture design and systems. There are some thesis abstract or draft proposal topics, and they are as follows. Number 1. A new housing prototype for digital era. Number 2. Water tower. Number 3. The mutual city, the sharing city. Number 4. Architecture of work. Number 5. Market living, market-based public housing development. Number 6. Virtual society. Number 7. Language of density. Number 8. Reimagining flyovers. Number 9. Housing as place for live, work, play in digital era. Number 10. Vertical transition in horizontal tower. Well, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope I covered as many topics as possible which I knew about. If I have missed any topic you think, please comment below in the section and let me know. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an update. I request you all to visit our website where you can download as much as thousands of SketchUp components for free. We have mentioned the link in the description box below. We have also launched a GATE Architecture Books 2021 whose link is again given in the description box below. If you never want to miss an update on upcoming jobs, ebooks and everything related to architecture, you can join our Telegram group, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, whose link is again mentioned in the description box below. Please show us support by liking and subscribing our channel. See you next time.